Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Monday.com for sales pipeline management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Monday.com website. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Click on that Add button to create a new board. Select the sales pipeline template from the options available. This template comes pre-configured with columns tailored for sales tracking. Customize the columns to reflect your specific sales stages, such as lead, proposal, or closed one. Add any additional columns, like expected close date or deal value, to suit your needs. Next, input your potential leads into the board. For each lead, create a new item and fill out the relevant details. Use the status column to update the progress of each lead through the sales pipeline. You can drag and drop items to move them between different stages seamlessly. Utilize the date column to set deadlines for each stage of the sales process. This will help you keep track of important follow-ups. Consider using the people column to assign team members to specific leads. This ensures accountability and clear ownership of each opportunity. Take advantage of the comments section to communicate with your team about specific leads. Use this feature for sharing important updates or feedback. To visualize your sales pipeline, click on the Views menu. Select the Kanban view for an easy-to-follow representation of your pipeline stages. You might also want to create a Gantt view for tracking timelines effectively. To gain insights, explore the Dashboards feature. Create a dashboard for key sales metrics, like sales totals or lead conversion rates. This will help you monitor performance at a glance. You can also integrate third-party tools like email or calendar apps for a streamlined workflow. Just go to the Integrations section and follow the prompts to connect your tools. Regularly review your sales pipeline to identify bottlenecks or areas for improvement. Schedule weekly meetings with your team to discuss pipeline progress and make necessary adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.